As we descended on to the river's brink, the sounds of the morning birds quickly surrendered to the noise of the flowing river. We were greeted upstream by a local beaver that seemed to be heading back to his lodge after a long morning's work. As the morning sun rose, it wiped away the dew-covered grass and brought with it the emergence of the bright evergreens that lined the river. The want of that morning cup of coffee quickly left our thoughts as the now more apparent flashes of red and white reflections under the riffles were brought to light. With the first hungry brookie under the belt, it didn't take long to imagine what this river could provide us with if we kept on searching. I sat down in the morning sun, letting my lungs fill with the cool mountain air, and my long drawn-out yawns and blinks became more vivid thoughts of fresh smells of ground coffee, once again disappeared in the act of one hook set. The sheer beauty of a brook trout cannot be measured by its length or weight. But it can be felt through some unseeable force of nature that keeps you coming back.